Hi guys, I'm your chiropractor David.
And Dr. Ian.
We're from the Sprottic Health Chiropractic in the Huntingdon practice. So today we would like to talk to you about breathing. So breathing is really important, as we all know. It happens in the background. The subconscious and the unconscious brain actually manage all this stuff because it happens while you're sleeping. It happens where you are not voluntarily controlling your breathing. However, you can actually control your breathing and help with managing stress. So there are many breathing techniques out there now. For example, Wim Hof, I think Ian can name a few for us. Yes, so many. Yes, we have breath worker that actually comes in to see us as well. So if you need any sort of connection or any help around this, speak up. We'll be able to point you towards the right direction. However, in chiropractic, why is it important for us to have a good breathing? Is that one thing that I would like to mention? We have primary muscle that helps us breathe, which is the diaphragm, right? And we call it diaphragmatic breath. So this is the primary muscle, and when we use this muscle to breathe, we generally see belly going up, right? So we're seeing it's almost like blowing a balloon. And this is what we would like to see in quiet breathing. When you're doing exercises, we need extra air to help us, get those oxygen into our muscles, so that we have secondary muscles around your neck, that connects to your collarbone, that is going to help lift your rib cage up, and so we create more negative pressure and pull more air in every time we breathe. When we are stressed, these muscles also get activated. When the primary muscles are not working properly, we will see the secondary muscles also compensating. So ended up, we can see people in the clinic have tight shoulders. We can see people with sore neck and so on. Now, what does this study tells us about breathing?
Yes, there's so many studies out there, but the only one that I want to highlight is that there is one study intervention studying 40 participants, but basically they're collecting the saliva samples, and measure the cortisol, which is the stress related hormones that's activated when you're stressed. And then basically what's happening is that the breathwork group has a significant change in the salivatory cortisol level upon series of breath work. So, which simply suggests that if you want to lowering your level of stress, breathing alone can help. So, breathing properly. Now, the thing that I just want to highlight, as there are so many techniques, one thing you can do at home is just to try your best to breathe through your belly and diaphragm, and also just slow it down as well. So slow inhale, count out to 4 seconds, and then slow exhale, count up to 4 seconds. Just slow breath alone can really slow everything down, activating your rest and digest parasympathetic system, which is what we want, considering there's so many stresses out there in the world. Now, with chiropractic, how it can help with breathing is basically the thoracic cage. So when we're doing adjustments in that thoracic region, and also even some visceral maneuvers as well, and to stimulate the diaphragm, that really allows the opening of the rib cage so that you can breathe better. So chiropractic care can definitely help out your breathing. Now, if you want to know more about breathing, there is an upcoming workshop or talk on Friday night, the 5th of September here at the Rutherford practice.
Yes.
And yours truly will be leading the conversation, and we will do something practical as well. We will do a bit of breath work just to get you started. Something basic, something simple, something that you can take away. All right, well, if you have any further questions, if you're curious about it, make sure you contact us, make an appointment, bring your family and your friends as well. We would love to look after you. All right, see you next time.